Let's get it clear, Kariuki. The product you supplied in cereal in April 2022 is still the product you are looking for KEP certification in 2023 January. Am I right?
You are right.
Now, in 2022, which is still debatable, you used the permit from African diatomite.
Yes, I
Am
did.
I right?
Yes, I did.
And the permit was soil amendment, fertilizer, and conditioner. Am I right?
Yes.
Then you went to KEPS on your own through now SBL Innovate.
Sure.
And if you look at the application, which was, you said that the samples were taken on 25th of January 2023. Am I right?
Yes.
And the results came on 28.
28, yes.
28. That is a speed of 3 days or 5 days.
True.
Now, the results seems to be the same product, different results.
Sure.
This one that you initially engaged cereal was soil amendment, fertilizer, and conditioner.
Sure.
And this one you are getting now the certification under SBL Innovate has become something else.
Sure.
And it has become an organic fertilizer with 15% moisture content, 70% organic fertilizer, and all the other nutrients.
True.
What changed if it was the same product?
The first report was the one we took it ourselves as a private sample. The other report was confirmation from him. And that's what the one we are supposed to provide it to you. Because maybe, Chair, I can add this. There's no way I could have been issued with a certificate if they didn't visit the factory. That's a mandatory for them.
Na ripoti iyo niyo igukorwo igitweka mwekega